Daqskemm is-sistema tal-fostering immeqjusa bħala ġest tajjeb għal tfal li jispiċċaw jittieħdu l-bogħod mill-familji tagħhom, daqstant ieħor raqqata hawn stigma fuq dawk il-persuni li jitkellmu dwar dawn l-esperjenzi. Fil-fatt, ħafna jgħaddu minn esperjenzi negattivi għaliex sempliċiment ikunu trabbew ma' familji fostered. NetNews kellem ma' wħud miż-żgħażagħ li pparteċipaw f'laqgħat biex fl-aħħar mill-aħħar isir dokument bi proposti ħalli tfal li jkunu fostered ma jibqgħux jitpoġġew f'dawn l-ikraħ.
Intaqgħu numru ta' care leavers żgħażagħ li kienu foster care u residential care minn 3 pajjiż differenti, mill-Olanda, mill-Ingilterra u minn Malta biex jaqsmu l-idejat u l-esperjenzi tagħhom flimkien u jagħmlu proposti lill-istat kemm mill-Istat Malti u kemm f'pajjiżi oħrajn kif il-care system tista' issir aħjar milli.
Infatti, ħafna jibżgħu jgħidu li huma ġew jew qed jiġu fostered propju minħabba din l-istigma.
These young people haven't done anything wrong. They have been through very difficult situations, things that children should never have to go through, and they shouldn't then be punished for that. They should be provided with a space and an opportunity to be loved and cared for.
People think they're criminals, people think they're prostitutes, people think there are so many bad things about foster children.
Uħud minn dawk fostered kienu fost dawk il-ftit li jgħixu ma' familja waħda, hekk kif fil-maġġor parti ta' tfal jispiċċaw ibidlu l-familji kemm il-darba, b'riżultat li ma jaddattawx għal post wieħed.
I was fostered when I was 4, and then when I was 7, I moved with my fostered parents to Holland, and it's been great, and it's given me a new opportunity, and I love it.
Qabel kont ġo home ta' residenti u minn dakinhar law isa ħajt inqelbet minn taħt għal fuq u ġiet għall-aħjar.
There's a lot of children who have a lot of changes within the foster system.
It was a very long time. It was very different. Some good, some very positive and some very negative.
You feel kind of a loneliness being in a family that's not yours.
Iżda xi tfisser għal dawn iż-żgħażagħ is-sistema tal-fostering.
Toġobni l-esperjenza li tgħix ġo familja, mhux ġo residential homes u speċi ikollok il-care workers ġejjin u sejrin biex xift jieħdu ħsiebek.
It's giving children a voice.
Love, acceptance and commitment.
Il-futur ta' tfal li jispiċċaw bla familja jispiċċa jkun wieħed inċert u l-inqas ħaġa li jkunu jixtiequ jgħaddu minnha il-istigma mis-soċjetà.
My hope is that we change how we support these young people and actually think about them. How would you treat your child?
I vision for the future that there's more support, not just with foster children, but with like all care experienced young people.
They need more support and be loved.
I would like things to be much easier for them.
Preżenti għal dawn il-laqgħat kien hemm id-deputat nazzjonista Ivan Bartolo li sema l-esperjenzi ta' dawn iż-żgħażagħ biex jifhem aħjar dak li jgħaddu minnu dawn il-persuni meta jkunu ma' familji fostered.